Wall Street gets crushed. My name's D7 here at Grok Trade, and this is the weekend edition. Good through Sunday, November 15th, 2015. And the markets as a whole down largely for the entire week. Blood in the streets on big volume. One of the biggest complaints that we hear as educators in the investment world is what stocks to trade. Well, for $1 a day, we can fix that problem for you. Let me show you what our stocks did on our bull and bear list, on our stock picks list this week. On the bull list, we had two do exceptionally well, even in such a bloody market. Monster up more than 12%, DHI up more than 5%, and on the bear side, we had a ton of money-making stocks. Here, you could short these guys, and these were our big short picks, making a great money. A lot of people don't understand that you can make money to the downside as much as you can make it to the upside. So how do you get a hold of our stock picks each and every week? All you do is go to groktrade.com and click on Stock Picks v Newsletter. Click on that. Like I said, $1 a day, and you will be loving stocks that we're going to help you find. Never again worry about what to trade and what not to trade. Spiders daily chart. Rising wedge. Big bearish divergence on the MACD and crash down below 20-day moving average. Dropping on increased volume. Diamonds. Take a look at this. Dropping below 20-day moving average. Increased volume. NASDAQ. We were in this uptrend. I said, we cracked it there. Started to get a little bounce, and then crash and burn. Big volume. People were selling into this market. Small caps, down. Banks. Take a look at banks. We were up here over a lot of resistance areas, and then we crashing down through those support levels. So these are just gone. And rising 20-day moving average on the bank. So it gives us a little bit of hope here. That we did pull back to this, see if we get a bounce in financials. Take a look here at crude oil on the daily chart. This thing has just been crashing and burning. Look at the volume increasing as we drop here. Silver daily chart. Down, but look how it's starting to roll over. I think we have buy opportunities for silver and for gold. I think these are bottoms being put in. But this is the weekend edition. Daily charts only get us so far. Here's the weekly charts. And look at this. We had this rolling over. See the red lines? Rolling over. Then we dropped. We busted down below support. Down. We rallied higher. We come back down. We get a double bottom. We rallied higher. We smack this area. Blow this dude up so we can see it. We go up, touch that line, come down, and then boom to the downside. Huge crash. Big drop below the 20-week moving average. Very typical to see that. I foresee more downside opportunity. Here, definitely want to be hedged in this market if you have longs and looking definitely to the short side. Remember, I've been seeing these warnings. Well, we had these big warnings. Now, dead cat bounce. We rally higher. Kiss resistance, and now dropping again. Hard telling where this bottom will be. Let's go to the diamonds. Take a look at this. Rally. Crash and burn. Let's go to the NASDAQ. Again, weekly chart. Higher. Said be careful. Watch out. Alert. We did just get over an area of resistance. I thought, wow, that's pretty strong. Wouldn't have anything else to do but go down, and sure enough, that's what it did. Just crashing and burning. And small caps here, we went up, hit resistance, come crashing down, and then close below a line that really should be tweaked. I'm going to tweak that line there, and this line now I'm going to get rid of. and down below the 20-week moving average to the downside. And I like to look at banks, weekly chart. We got up over resistance, but just like the NASDAQ, man, we come crashing back down. Bad trouble. Look for a lot of downside movement here. And we want to look at crude oil weekly chart here. Man, I thought when we broke out, we were heading to the north. I really thought that it was going to happen. But it drifted. We still haven't got down below this area that should act as support. But normally when something breaks out like that, especially on volume, you see a breakout and release to the upside. Crude oil failed to do that. We have a support line coming across. We're almost at that area. I could see this area a little further drop, and then that would definitely be a buy area right here from that swing low and this trend line right here. I'd say, man, if you could get USO to drop around to, I would say $12.30, $12.30 right there would be a great buy opportunity. Silver weekly chart started to break out. Everything looked great, and then it just petered out. It failed. It failed to do anything. I'll bring that line up now. It's down, still in this falling trend line. And here we have gold. Gold started to break out. I had a lot of great hope for it. Dropped, needed to bounce here, did not. It failed last week, crash and burn, and now we continue here. We have a support area coming. That support area on the daily and weekly are looking for opportunities for buying. I like to look at a couple of them here on the monthly chart. Here's the monthly chart on the spiders. Up. We tagged this area twice. Now dropping. 20-month moving average acting as support. We're halfway through the month. And the question is, will we continue southbound? I think the answer is yes. I think that's going to happen. Let's go to the NASDAQ, see what's going on. NASDAQ, we went down here, went higher, just as we thought. To get rid of this now, because I think it's something far different. We hit this resistance down, heading down. I think we're going to start heading down. Whew, threw a lot at you. But enough to probably get you to forget about what I shared with you earlier. If you want to make big money in the markets and you have a hard time finding the stocks, we can help you. Go to Grok Trade. Once you go here, click on Stock Picks V Newsletter. When you click on Stock Picks V Newsletter, put in 2 weeks. You get 2 weeks completely free, and you'll see it for yourself, and you will love it. And speaking of that, if you like my technical analysis, click like, leave a comment, share it with a friend. Catch you guys later.